to make a coffee cake. And you guys, this is actually really easy to make. It's really very minimal ingredients, basic ingredients, but I'm going to, no, why can't I speak? Okay. I always get, okay. You can't be in the kitchen. Puppy, you can't be in the kitchen right now. You gotta go. Go, go. No. Go, go. Stay, sit, stay. Go. And you can't come past here, okay? Gotta stay. Crostini, and then another one is going to be some delicious baked brie wrapped in some puff pastry. And so if you want to see how those are made, then keep on watching. So without further ado, let's get into it. Puppy, you gotta go. Move, puppy. My dog is in the kitchen right now. No. Welcome back to my channel, and so for this video I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious chicken lettuce strips. Okay, that is so good, you guys. It does have a little kick with it because of the red pepper flakes. Right, hold on. So next we're going to do is pull out our air fryer, and it looks just like this. All you do is just my bad. Okay. Won't do that again. Cut. But I'm going to be making a small batch of pumpkin spice scones, and I'm going to be linking the Is the camera crooked? Is that better? Okay, and so I tried to take these out of the pan, and look what happened. And you want to know why? Because I forgot to use paper liners. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know why I didn't use paper liners, but this is unacceptable. Like these are delicious. Like, I had one already. They're absolutely delicious, but presentation wise, no. So be sure to use paper liners so you don't have this happen to your muffins. This is not okay. And I'm so mad at myself. Ugh. Do you think that was good? Yeah. And so for this week's video, I ended up posting but I ended up getting a lot of requests of people. Wait. No. And they have some delicious carnitas. I really, but my bad. Okay, let me try that again. And don't forget to click that subscribe button along with that notification bell. And oh my gosh. I always blank doing intros and outros. Slow down, because I don't know the sky's up there, was like, what? What did you just say? Okay. Need to talk slower, people. Oh my gosh. Okay.